Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban High Country that comes equipped with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, 22-inch alloy wheels, max trailer package, front heated cooled bucket seats, second row heated cooled bucket seats, as well as third row seating, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on into the interior here. It comes equipped with the Bose 10-speaker sound system, so on each front door it's going to have those big speakers, as well as extra storage here, and the brown stitching on the leather, as well as the wood finish on the side of the door here, and the chrome door handle that comes equipped with the power locks, power meters, and power windows. Moving on to the seats here, we have our beautiful premium leather heated and cooled bucket seats that comes with the High Country stitching, as well as the High Country design here. Of course, the badging as soon as you get in. Also, automatic running boards as well. With the steering wheel here on the left, we have our cruise control, heated steering wheel, and of course our collision warning. And on the right side is our hands-free. And to the left of the steering wheel, since this is the Suburban High Country, it comes with a max trailer package, meaning you can trailer about 12,000 pounds. So here are all your options here with the lighting, as well as your park assist and your HUD and your parking brake and your two-wheel and four-wheel drive with the odometer here. Of course, it is equipped with the heads-up display. On the right side here, it's push to start. It comes with the precision shifters, pardon me. Once the center console here, as we can see, you can control your climate, your rear climate, of course the heated and cooled seats, as well as the USB ports and your 12-volt DC port. To the infotainment system here, we have our navigation, we have our Apple CarPlay and our Android Auto, as well as our Wi-Fi hotspot. Moving down here, we have wireless charging, as well as the cup holders here, and two cup holders just in the back there. And with the center console, you can store your phone just right as there. Here we have more storage. Here we have our SD card and the USB ports as well. Just lift this, it has a lot more extra storage here as well. Again, on the passenger with the stitching going all the way down, as well as on the door, the brown stitching here, and the brown wood with the finish, only with the lock and the windows, and again, with the big speakers down here. As well as the rear view, you can go from camera to regular as well. Here we control our sunroof and the panoramic moonroof, as well as your universal garage door opener. And the sunroof goes all the way back here into the second row as well. Moving on to the exterior, we have our big 22-inch alloy wheels, as well as our chrome badging for the High Country trim and the Suburban. But finishes off with the paint match mirrors and door handles as well. Move on to the back here. Comes with our quadruple exhaust. Just looks absolutely beautiful, as well as your chrome badging, and of course, just hit that. Tons of storage back here, even with the seats up. And if we bring them on down, oh, my apologies, hit the wrong side. Hold on enough. I apologize for that. See in the back here, we have our USB ports, as well as just extra storage here on the sides, the cup holders, as well with some extra storage, as well as your floor mats. To the rear, as you can see, the running boards just slide out, as well as the doors here with extra storage, quite similar to the front with the finish and the stitching. And then the back here with the power locks and power windows as well. Big Bose speakers, as well as your High Country badging. We'll move into the back here. We have storage just right behind the seats, as well as your rear climate, of course your USB ports, AC wall charger just in the back here as well. And we also have third row seating, just like I explained in the back here before. Seats are down. Lots of extra storage back here. Thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevy Suburban High Country that comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, 22 inch alloy wheels, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Max trailer package, as well as a heads-up display, of course, third row seating as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe to Wolfe Chevrolet. Come on down so we can check out your Chevrolet auto and help you out best we can. Thank you so much for watching.